How to remove primary and general DMs on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to merge your inbox back into a single tab by switching account types. First, open the Instagram app. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right. After that, tap the three lines in the top right. From there, tap Settings and Privacy. At this point, scroll down and tap Account Type and Tools. In the next step, tap Switch to Personal Account. Following this, a pop-up will explain what changes when you switch. Once done, tap Switch to Personal Account again to confirm. From here, go back to your DMs to check your inbox layout. Keep in mind, switching to a personal account removes access to professional tools like Insights and Ads, so only do this if you don't rely on those features. Finally, if the primary and general split still shows, restart the app to refresh your inbox. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove primary and general DMs on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.